Hello and welcome to a brand new Easy Jobs tutorial video. Today, we will show you how you can enable video upload for candidates on job posts created with Easy Jobs. First, from your Easy Jobs dashboard, navigate to the Jobs tab in the left sidebar. Select a job post from the list where you want to enable video submission, then click on the More button. Next, select the Edit option. Click on the Customize Fields button from the top right corner. In the Documents section, toggle to Enable Video under Show. Click on Save and continue to proceed. That's how easy it is in Easy Jobs. To check the submitted videos, navigate to Candidates in the left sidebar. Select the View Details option for any candidate. Under the Video tab, you will find the video if the candidate has submitted it. This is how easily you can let applicants submit video resumes while applying for your job post created on Easy Jobs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. Happy hiring!